Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2015 SL400 Mercedes-Benz, and we're going to go over how you would be able to, how you open up the hood to be able to gain access to the engine bay to do. So to start with, of course, you would open up your door, and then right down here you're going to see a red lever, and this is like right where your left foot would sit, and you're going to pull that. Alright, you just gotta get your finger into there and then pull that, and that pops the latch, and now we go on do the safety latch portion. So you come right down around here at the front, you have our emblem, and then right in here is where you can reach your fingers in and be able to pull the latch, be able to raise it. And this is the latch that you're going for, and we just pull it inside at your double safety latch, and you have your original latch. And now you can just raise up your hood. That is its general standing position, and you can push it all the way up if you're doing more work on that and you want to get better access. You can push it all the way up to there and have it sit up like that. And so that's how you would open your hood to be able to gain your access to your engine bay. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.